Yo, what's going on, guys? This right here is Marshall Acton 2. So I've used over 30 different Bluetooth speakers, and this by far has one of the most unique designs, like the textured vinyl cover and the salt and pepper fret. Yeah, I had to also Google that, what it was, but it's just like a weave design on the front of the speaker where it has that beautiful Marshall logo. It has this almost timeless design, kind of like the Dodge Challenger if you guys are in the car scene. So the speaker's not made out of plastic, nor is it made out of metal. It's actually made out of, it has a wooden frame, which helps the sound balanced and natural, I guess. Yeah, it definitely sounds really good. Thanks to its 3 dedicated Class D amplifiers that also powers its dual tweeters and subwoofer. In a minute, I'm going to do a sound test, but first, let's talk about those 3 cool looking knobs on the top. So all the main control buttons are located on the top of the speaker. Starting from the left side, we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, 2 LED lights that's going to indicate what mode you're in, either Bluetooth or using the auxiliary port. Then we have 3 brass knobs which you can use to control the volume, the bass, and the treble. Then next to that we have a pause and play button, and then the power switch. Adjusting any of the volume settings using the brass knobs is just so satisfying. It's tactile, and yeah, it definitely helps with this experience being more memorable. In terms of connectivity, you got 2 options: connected using Bluetooth 5.0, which is going to give you a solid wireless range of around 30 feet. And if that doesn't work, you can also use it connecting a 3.5mm audio jack. The Acton 2 has multi-host functionality, which means you can use 2 phones. So you got a friend over, he can connect his phone to your speaker, and you can connect your phone, and then you guys can, switch between the devices that are playing music. Oh yeah, before I forget, there's also a Marshall Bluetooth app that you can download on your Android or iOS device to custom tune your own presets or change the presets wirelessly. Now let's do a quick sound test. Okay, here we are. We're going to do a quick sound test of the Acton 2. Music is currently playing at 50% volume. The bass is also at 50. I'm going to turn it up a little. Let's say 60. And I'm also going to turn the volume up to 60%. Treble as well. Alright, let's turn it up to 75 or 80. 80% volume. Bass 80%. Treble. I'm going to turn the volume up all the way. The bass all the way. A lot of bass here. See, the air comes out right on the backside over here. I'm going to turn up the treble all the way too. kind of got an idea for how the speaker sounds. It sounds pretty good, right? But there are definitely some cons to the speaker. First of all, this does not have a battery built in, so you cannot carry it around with you. You're going to have to leave it on a shelf or anywhere around your house. Anyways, would I recommend the speaker to you? Well, it depends on you. First of all, you know this is not battery powered, and you can't be carrying this around wherever you go. Well, you can, but it's not battery powered. Okay. In terms of design, it looks beautiful. You can literally put it on any shelf, any table, anywhere. It is going to look amazing. And it sounds really good. For its size, there's nothing really to complain about in terms of sound quality. I'm very satisfied with its sound quality. Just for the people out there who want to take it on maybe a road trip and things like that, yeah, this is not the speaker for you. But if you do like the design of the speaker, you will also love the sound quality of the speaker because it sounds great. All right, guys, that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.